Plug In TV.
Welcome back to Plug In TV, back at it with another video. On this video, we'll be talking to y'all about Yeezy Day, how everything went for me, and also what all did I did cop. So let's see what did I do, and let's see what's in this box that I have on today. So without further ado, let's get to untaping this, and let's see what type of heat we got here, my boy. All right. Get into it. Right. Okay, you guys. It's a lot going on with this box. Trying to hide my address, by the way, too, so that's probably why it's a little difficult on the box, because I would have been on the box in type of way. As you guys can see, I do have the 450. That's what I did cop on Yeezy Day. I could have got 2 pair of Yeezys, but I ended up just sticking with 1 pair of the 450s. I also could have got the 500s. But I kind of was like, these are the ones I wanted. So let's see what we'll do. Without further ado, I'm gonna open the box. So you guys can see it's the 450. This is what I did cop on Yeezy Day. Yeezy Day did not go as well for me as it did for other people. But this how they came, this how they look. They almost look like they're supposed to be coming just like the Yeezy slides, but even though it's like the Yeezy slide box is way bigger than this. And this pair is actually made in Germany. It's pretty cool. And guys, also as well, these how they look. But just a side note, on these, they did reference for everybody to go up a half a size, which I think is really weird. It's me pretty weird. But this how they look. And yeah, they're pretty bendable. I would say they're really bendable. I just really like how these 450s, the silhouette of it look. The silhouette is really nice. I like how this part like kind of like supposed to hug your feet a little bit. It's supposed to hug your ankle part of it. Overall, I really think he kind of did a good job with these. Now, these 450s supposed to have well, on the Yeezy Supply app they sold out. On Confirm app I didn't get selected, but that's okay. They also had them on other sneaker app platforms, which they probably still would have them available because a lot of people wasn't hyped over this shoe. I seen on Go that this shoe was down a little bit on a resale. But that was okay because I kind of caught for personal, but after I was looking, I was like, I'm kind of probably want to resell these or send them off for trade and get something else. So we'll see. So on the bright side, I did like the 450 Yeezys, but unfortunately, I wanted it the 500s, but most importantly, I really did want the foam runners. On Yeezy Supply website, it was glitching so horrible on Yeezy Day. You know, everybody is, out there trying to cop every pair of Yeezys that they can possibly put their hands on. If you see real sneakerheads know those bots, the bots is really out there. The bots are going to get the sneakers before you do. I have seen people that have bots, they really get out there, they really get the shoe. But before they shoot, any other people that really want the shoe, hey, they have it before you do. So if you're really and willing to pay retail price, don't be afraid to hit up those people. But hey, me, I'm a sneaker reseller myself, so I won't be out there trying to get sneakers for a higher price. I'll match them while I trade the shoe off with them. Also, as well, you guys, as we all know, Kanye West did say that he did not even approve this Yeezy Day that they had this year. This is what he posted. This is also what he said as well. This man basically said he did not approve Yeezy Day. As y'all all know, that Kanye been trying to get another partnership with Gap, Balenciaga, Engineered, all those fun things. He really it seems like he's really trying to leave Adidas and go over to Gap. I think, me personally, I think he'll make more money with Gap because it's apparel, accessories, and he say he wants to be coming out with shoes with Gap as well. So y'all be on the lookout for it there. Really, all the information that I kind of have from what Kanye posted, they said that it wasn't approved by him, and he also kind of stated in the message thread as well that they would even produce more Yeezy slides because they said they didn't have whatever. So that's the spiel on why Kanye West kind of really did not mess with Yeezy Day. But to me, I kind of did mess with Yeezy Day as well because they posted that all these shoes will be releasing on Yeezy Day. But when Yeezy Day officially came out, some of these shoes I did not see. But a lot of people did already out too that was going out of Yeezy Day as well. They kind of told me that some of this stuff was exclusive access, which I think was not right. Having exclusive access on something that's supposed to have been just like for the Kanye West fans and the Yeezy fans, I really truly think that was wrong. Having a exclusive drop or whatever, there should be like some release. And on the phone runners, they kind of only put the phone runners on the Confirm app at first, and then they end up putting them on the whole family size on the Yeezy Supply app, came later. So yeah. But overall, these are the Yeezy 450s, and hey, I really like the 450s. I think they're an everyday shoe. They are black. Like, you know, name another shoe that you have looking this futuristic and black. Black goes with everything. Like this shoe here goes with everything. I mean, you can just pair this with some Fear Gods and the Fear God track pants and go on about your day. Like this is like airport shoes. They're good just outfit coordinators with different colors, because you don't have to go too crazy on the colors on your shoe, because your shoe already do go crazy itself. I mean, what other shoe do you want better than the 450s? As you guys know, this shoe here is not a V2, anything that's like V2 boost, or it's not like a Yeezy boost. It don't have no boost in them. I think the most comfortable of Yeezys that I have tried on or seen is 380s. I don't own 380s, but 380s is the most comfortable shoe to me. Next to the 380s is the 350s. I would do a home flip for you guys, like I said, I would probably do be selling these, so I really don't know if I want to put my foot in them, because I am trying to get these out. So yeah, I don't know this shit. Hey, but thanks for tuning in. This is Plug In TV. And don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And don't forget to stay plugged in with Plug In TV.